Are you looking for a simple way to make sure your team stays in the loop on important tasks inside ClickUp? Maybe you've heard about watchers or followers, but you're not totally sure what those mean or how to add people to keep an eye on your projects. Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add watchers, or as they're called now, followers, to any task in ClickUp and understand why it's so useful for collaborating and tracking progress. Let's dive right in. First, a little context. If you used ClickUp a while back, you might remember the term watchers. These were team members who got updates about a task, not necessarily because they had to do the work, but so they stayed informed. In the most recent version of ClickUp, watchers have officially been renamed to followers, but the idea is still the same. Followers or watchers are people who get notifications anytime something changes in a task, comments, status updates, or anything else. It's a great way to loop in a manager, stakeholder, or anyone who needs visibility but isn't actively responsible for completing that specific task. Now, let's talk about how to actually add a follower to your task. First, locate your task inside ClickUp. Usually it'll be listed in a table or board view where tasks are organized and assigned. In older ClickUp versions, you may see a Watchers column, but nowadays you're looking for the Followers feature. If you want to assign direct responsibility, you would set someone as the assignee, which means they're in charge of doing the task. But if you just want someone to be kept notified, like a team lead who doesn't need to work on it but needs to know what's going on, that's where followers come in. To set this up, click on the task you want to add a follower to. This will open up a detailed pop-up window showing all the information about that task. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout here. You'll generally see task details, comments, attachments, and a few buttons at the top. What you're looking for is the notification bell icon. This is usually found near the top, and it's your shortcut to managing who gets updates about this task. Go ahead and click the bell. A little menu pops up and you'll see the current followers listed here. If there aren't any followers yet, don't worry, it's easy to add someone. Right in this box, you should see an option to invite people via email. This is super helpful if you want to add someone who isn't already on the task or maybe isn't even on your workspace yet. Just click Invite People via email, then type in the email address of the person you want to add. Maybe it's your project manager, an external collaborator, or even yourself if you want to stay updated. Once you've entered the email, click Invite. That's it, they're now a follower of your task. From this point on, they'll receive notifications whenever something changes or someone makes a comment. A quick tip, don't worry if you're not sure who exactly to add as a follower at first. You can always come back, adjust followers, and even remove people later on. It's totally flexible, so you can tailor notifications as your project evolves. And there you have it, that's how you add watchers or followers to your tasks in ClickUp. Using followers is the perfect way to keep the right eyes on what matters without overwhelming people or missing key updates. I hope this walkthrough made things crystal clear. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or want to share how you use watchers in your own team, just drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.